These are the gloves. These are part of personal protective equipment. That is one. The second personal protective equipment are the goggles. So these goggles, they are used to protect your eyes whenever you are performing any practicals. Because there are some of the chemicals that may flash out. You see? And then you wear it. You wear this so that to protect your eyes. Because some of the chemicals, when they touch your eyes, they can cause irritation or itching. These are part of personal protective equipment. Then, let's come to the chemistry apparatus that we are going to use today. Let me begin with the measuring cylinders. So measuring cylinders, they are used for measuring approximate volume of liquid. Measuring cylinders, they are used for measuring approximate volume of liquid. And the measuring cylinders, they are here, of different size, different capacity. All of these are measuring cylinders. Others are made of glass, others are made of plastic. See, all of these are measuring cylinders. Only that they have a different capacities. See, even these are the measuring cylinders. Now the use of these, they are used for measuring approximate volume of what? Liquid or solution. Okay, now we have known this. Let's go to the second apparatus. We have the beakers. Beakers, they are here. There are those made of glass, others made of plastic. You see, but the capacity is different. This one is up to 1,000 milliliters. This is up to 1,000 milliliters, while this one is up to 500 milliliters. All of these are the beakers, and you know the function of beakers. They are used for holding any liquids. Is it? The function of this, they are used for holding any liquids in the laboratory or any solution. Okay. Apart from this, there are even some of them. They are here. These are beakers. You see, even these are the small size beakers. Okay. So these are the beakers, and they are the small size beakers. They are used for holding any liquid. Then, now, we have the reagent bottles. These are called the reagent bottles. Reagent means chemicals. These are bottles that are used for storing what? Chemicals. There is A and B. A represents the acids, and B represents the bases. If you have an acid, you pour it in the beaker labeled A. This is the reagent bottle labeled A, and this is the reagent bottle labeled B. This one represents the acid, the base. The base is represented by B, and acid is represented by B. Okay. After you have known this, then we have a gas jar. This is a gas jar, and it is used for collection of gases. If you want to collect gases, if you do some experiment that involve collection of gases, then you use gas jar for what? For collection of gases. Okay. So this is gas jar. And then
Light off.
this
Light off.
put it up.
Light off.
Light. And then let me go further to introduce the other type of laboratory apparatus. So this is the pestle, and this is the mortar. This one it is called mortar, and this one it is called pestle. So it is used for grinding any substance. Like if you have some of the substance that you need to change into powder form, you grind them using this pestle. You pestle it like this, so that it changes from the fillet or from the grain size of that substance then to a particle size. Is it? Okay, which is in powder form. Then we have this panel of different sizes. They are known as filtering panel. These are the filtering panels. They are used in the process of filtration. Whenever you are filtering, you use either this size or this one, depending on the amount of substance or the liquid that you want to separate using filtration method. So these are the filtering panels. or we normally call them panels. Now, we have this one. This one it is called the tripod stand. Is it? This one it is called the tripod stand. And this one it is called the wire gauge. This is the wire gauge. Okay. This is the tripod. This is the tripod stand. And this is what? The wire gauge. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to do any heating, like for example, if you want to heat any substance, you put the wire gauge on top of this. And then pull it and put it on top of this. You put it on top of this, and then whatever that you want to heat, you put it on top of wire gauge. Is it? So this is it. Now, this is Bunsen burner. This is Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner. So this is a Bunsen burner, and we are having different flames depending when you open the air hole. When the air hole is open, when the air hole is what?
Correct.
Okay. Now, this is a Bunsen burner. So this Bunsen burner was discovered by German scientists. His real name is called Robert Wilhelm Bunsen. The name of this scientist who invented the Bunsen burner, his real name is called Robert Wilhelm Bunsen. And he discovered Bunsen burner in 1854. That was the time he invented this device. And he said this Bunsen burner could be prepared as the most source of heat in the laboratory. Now, this Bunsen burner, it has got the fat, is it? So this hollow is hollow fat. This hollow fat, we call it the chimney. This hollow fat is called the chimney. And it is designed, the function of the chimney is to raise the flame. Is to raise the flame to a certain height. That is the function of this part. And then there is a ring here inside. You see this opening?
Yeah.
This opening that you see here. So this opening, it is called collar. This one, it is called collar. It is made of metal, metallic ring. If you look at it, it is like a ring. So this collar, the function of collar is to regulate. The term regulate means to control. Is to regulate the amount of air entering during opening or closing. When you are opening it, you will see the amount of air entering. It is being controlled by the collar. And then if you close it, the amount of air, it is also controlled by what? By the collar. Collar, it is this. And then this part, the whole of this is called the base. This base, it supports the burner. It supports the burner so that it may not topple. The term topple means it may not fall down. I think you know this. Yeah. And this one here, this one it looks like a tube. We call it rubber tubing. It is the one that you connect it to the source of current, or the source of light. So you connect it. This is called the rubber one, the rubber tubing. So this is a tube, and you bring a plastic tube made of rubber or any plastic. Then you put it here. Then it is connected. So this is the Bunsen burner. Then, apart from this, let me introduce this one. So this is thermometer. There are two types of thermometer. In chemistry, we have the general purpose thermometer. This is called the general purpose thermometer. And we have the clinical thermometer. So the clinical thermometer is used in hospital for patient having fever. Is it? But for this one, it is used for testing any temperature of different substance or any object, liquid, all this. Right now, if you put this one in a certain water, it will give you the reading. It will give you the temperature of this water. You see, when you put it here, then you see the reading. The temperature of this water, it is 30.4 degrees Celsius. And it is now reducing even.
Yes.
29.7 because of the temperature.
Turn it was.
Yeah, this is it. If you want to tell the temperature of any liquid, you use the general one. The general purpose thermometer. This is the general purpose. We are having two types of thermometer. Is it? We have the clinical thermometer and we have the general one.
Thermometer.
Okay, that is the function of this. Then, apart from this, we have a pH meter. This is a device. It is called pH meter. It is used for measuring acidity and alkalinity of the substance. Whether the substance it has acidic properties or a basic what? Basic properties. Or it is neutral. We say all the acid, the pH value for all acid ranges from 1 up to 6.5. Is it? That is the pH of acids. And then the pH of bases ranges from 7.5 up to 14. When you see that, this shows that there is a presence of base. And when you find the pH, it is exactly 7.0. If it is exactly 7.0, that means the pH, it is neutral. If it is neutral, it is what? It is water. The pH of water is 7.0. So, and the machine that is used, or the equipment that is used for measuring the acidity or alkalinity or the neutral of any substance, you use this device known as what? pH meter. Because it is called auto pH meter because it has what? It has a battery inside. Then let me also use some of the. These are the apparatus. Let's continue with the apparatus. When you look at this one, this part, it is called the stand. This one is the stand. This is the base. The function of the base is to support the stand. And the function of the stand is to hold the clamp. This one it is called clamp. And the function of the clamp, it is for lifting any substance. Like for example, if you put something, let's say if you put any apparatus or any device, you want to hit it, you place it on this. Then let me use this one as an example. You can put it like this. For holding. The function of the clamp is for holding. Like now here, you see this? This is the base, this is the stand, and this is the clamp. And this is what? The burette. So the device that we talk about, this is what? The burette. It is used for measuring accurate volume of liquid. The function of this device is used for measuring accurate volume of liquid. Now you are holding this using clamp. This one it is called clamp. And this is the burette. This one it is used for titration. When you come to more concept under titration. Then all of these are we are still on apparatus. Give me some of this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Put it there. So we are having weighing balance or weighing scales. We are having two types of weighing scales. We have the beam balance, is it? We have the beam balance, and we have the electronic one. Electronic balance. So the electronic balance is this one. We normally call it the electronics weighing scales. It is used for weighing any mass. And then now you can open it. When you open it like this, this one is working. Even this one. Those, I think the battery is low. That one it is working. Even this one, this is the different design, but of the same electronic one, weighing scale. So you can open it here. If you want to weigh anything, you put it on top of this. Then it will give you the reading. The weight of, it will give you the mass.
Yeah.
So these are the weighing scales. Then,
So,
yeah.
so I beg your pardon, what is the name of this one?
This is the general purpose thermometer. This is general purpose thermometer. This is the electronics weighing scale or the electronic beam balance. Now we have this one. This one it is called heating mantle. This one it is called heating mantle. It is used for heating any substance. Like for example, if you put this conical flask, this one here, if you have substance, let's say a liquid, you pour inside here, and you want to heat it using this glass, because if you subject it to fire, it will break, is it?
Yeah.
So you put it on this. This one here, it has heat absorption. And then you connect it to a source of current, like electricity. You connect it to a socket, and then from there you will see your water keep what? Keep boiling. And then from there you use them for the purpose of your experiment. So this one it is called heating mantle. It is used for if you have any plastic substance, or I mean if you have any plastic apparatus like this one. This is plastic, you put it here, it will not burn this. But if you put this one near a certain source of fire, it will burn because it is plastic. But you use the modern way, it is this. You connect it to a current, then from there you put it on this so that you heat. Then your water will boil without burning one. This plastic I mean this plastic device. So it is called heating mantle. Heating mantle, yes, that is the name of this device. Now, without wasting time, because we have another group. We have different, all of Bunsen burner, they are here. We have another one. This is also another Bunsen burner. Yeah, it is the same with this.
It's the same with the previous one.
Yeah. Now, we have this one, spatula. This one, spatula, it is used for scooping. You know the term scooping.
Yeah.
When you are scooping any solid substance like this.
Yes.
It's used for scooping any solid chemical. So there are some of the chemicals, if you take them with your hand like this,
You can.
they may burn you. You see? So now what you do, you just take the spatula and then you just scoop it like the way I can scoop this. You see?
Yes.
Scooping it is this. You are taking it using what? The spatula. That is the device. And then we have the stirring rod. This is the stirring rod. If you have anything that you need to mix, you use like this. This is the stirring rod. The stirring rod. You see? That is the function of this. Then again, we have the dropper. These are dropper. Like for example,
If you want to take water,
let me take this one. Let's say maybe I want to fill this measuring cylinder up to 25. You see?
Take water.
Then let me put water like this.
It's some titration.
now in the pin
Oregano.
or reduce.
You see? That is the volume has increased. So if you want to reduce to 25, what do? You suck or you siphon. You do like this. You see? Well, now you will see whether is it exactly 25?
Hmm.
Okay. You take at least another more. Okay. It is now 25. Is it? Yes. Then the function of this one is to either drop out the liquid or you add. Okay. Now, what is the name for this? This one it is the dropper. Dropper, yes. Or dropping any liquid.
liquid,
Or
yes.
reduce. Then now, dropper. Now we have this. This one is called hot pot. Hot pot. The function of this hot pot is for holding any hot substance or any hot apparatus. For example, when this one is very hot, you cannot hold it with your hand.
Yeah.
You hold it with this one. Because this one it is made to observe heat. When you hold it like this to avoid burning.
Yeah.
Is it? That one is called hot pot. The function of this is for absorption of heat. The heat is taken in. When it touches this, it will take heat from the container to what? Now, after you have done with all this, we have this one. This is the styler. That is the electronic. You open it. Like for example. Now you open it like this. You want to try this is what I do like this. Without using that styler. You see? The styling of this. So that they mix. You got to be made of. It is made of what? You have to get to the device. Why this is the number? This is the number. You don't use it like this. So that the solid and the liquid will work. The solid will be inside the liquid. But if you see like, you got that time. Take this one. Not take inside. Don't get it like this. Okay. See, you want to reduce the power. You use negative. You want to reduce positive. You increase. You see? Then you do it. You see? These are now it's now positive. Now negative.
So you do it again.
You see? Without using your hand, without wasting your energy, you just put it like this, and compare it well. You just mix completely. If you don't want this, you close it. Use this one here, using your energy.
That one can be
So
fine.
this one is simple now.
Yeah,
This one is very simple because
Yeah.
it's just a device.
yeah.
Cannot do it
Okay.
in it.
The same can.
This one is called mixer.
Mixer.
Mixer, yes.
Mixer.
I don't see any rope.
This is mixer and this is the sliding rod.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is the bonding. When you are bonding oxygen with hydrogen. When you are bonding carbon with hydrogen.
Bonding is
We
one.
talk about bonding. Okay?
Yeah.
So this is the bonding together. Okay. Now,
Body.
all of these that I talk about are the apparatus. Is it? Now let's come
Reagent.
to the topic of today. So now let's come to the reagent. The reagent that we are going to use. We have the sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. What is inside here? The sodium hydroxide. You cannot touch it with your hand.
Unless you fit.
If you want, it is like a fillet. You open it like this.
Sodium hydroxide.
That's sodium hydroxide here.
Get something
Is in form of powder or what?
It's in form of fillet. It's not in form of powder. You know fillet. You don't know fillet?
Yeah.
Okay, you see
Let me
the
pass
fillet
it.
now.
Sodium.
This is
sodium hydroxide.
sodium hydroxide. It's in form of fillet. This is sodium hydroxide. Okay, now this is one of the reagents that we are going to use.
You want to see?
Okay, this is one of the chemicals that we are going to use today. This is sodium hydroxide, and this one we have turmeric. Turmeric is used for coloring. Turmeric, this one is a chemical. It is used for coloring. You want to color something. You want to color yourself. Like now, look at this soap. These are soap made by the students. You see?
This is soap.
This one here, they do not add any color. You have seen. But for this one, they add color. Otherwise, you see now, they are now in different what?
Different color.
Different colors. So these are soap made by the students. Some of them are here. All of these are soap. And this one here, it is called the soap molder. This one. The apparatus here, it is called the soap molder. Okay. Now, you have this. You have the turmeric, which is for coloring. It is a chemical for coloring. And this is the sodium hydroxide, which is a chemical. Okay. Apart from this, we need to have an oil.
Which type of oil is this?
This is oil.
It's a black color oil. Black color, you know, which type of oil?
This is the plant oil. It's made of plant oil. Okay, now I'm going to perform my practical. And I will move you. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to get my own practical, my own song. And then from there, I will do you to get
Yes, sir.
then you do your own.
Yeah.
Okay? There's something I want to discourage from the students. When you are taking pictures, your concentration will only be on pictures that you are taking. And you must well understand what is being explained. Okay? Yeah, right. So it's better you first speed it up.
Wala ka naman. Ay, pa-style nga wala.
Okay, now,
Tara.
if you want to prepare yourself.
Wala na yun. Wala din, makuray ba ila?
Ah, gaga. Sound na.
Yan is surun ani dong na.
Imagine we were soaring, billing me, soaring, soaring, evening.
You will not understand what is going on here.
Yeah.
Hand glove.
Good here.
Some are in the store. Maybe I try to tell you.
Now, if you want to make your soap, first, you need to have the sodium hydroxide, the water, and the oil. Now, our oil is here. Our oil is here.
Excuse me, sir. Kindly hold this one up like this. This two.
These two.
Yes.
So this is turmeric, and this is sodium hydroxide in form of filling. These are in form of powder.
Yeah.
These are in form of powder, and these are in form of filling. So this is turmeric for coloring, and this is sodium hydroxide.
With
This is the base.
reagents.
Sodium hydroxide is the base.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, before you do this, first you need to take a volume of liquid. That is water. You fill this beaker.
Baker.
I mean, you fill this measuring cylinder. This is measuring cylinder up to 25. Then you don't need the other one is 25. So this is the measuring cylinder. You fill it up to 25 with the water.
Yeah.
Water. Water, yeah.
Take the picture of you doing that.
And then now you reduce. You reduce up to 25.
Using dropper.
Dropper. And the sack.
Now you get 20 to 25.
Yeah.
No, some can buy.
Then now you fill this one up with the oil. How to mix it?
With the oil. Up to 60.
And now, you have water.
Yeah.
So these are now the liquid. Then now, take a beaker. You take this beaker, put it here. Put it on the seat. Now this is now the device, is it? So this is the device.
You measure.
Now, are you following?
Yes.
Okay, now follow very carefully. Now you pour this water. This water.
Yeah. With the beaker.
The beaker. Okay?
Yeah.
Then now, you put this one, this beaker, with the water on the top of this waiting can.
Lama banget. Now the function of the fertilizer is now applied for cooking.
Yes.
You put 12 grams, 12 grams. Then you see from the reading here. The reading now is 0. You put like this.
Can a man you like? That's good question.
You see now 4 grams. 5. 7. 8 is it? 9. 10. 11.
And then 2.
This is 12.
It's correct.
Okay. Now, after you put this, then you close this. After you close this, you put it down. This is our oil. Okay? Then now, you bring this beaker. Put it on this one. Bring the beaker, put it here. This is offer for a vessel of it. You put it here. Is it? Okay. Now you put it here. Is it? After you put it here, now you add oil. You add oil. Then now you open this one.
The same.
And then now, you open the device, it is here. You open like this, you see? If you want to reduce, you reduce with negative. If you want to speed up, you do it like this. Then now you hold this. Then you just start it like this. Yeah, for the mixture.
Mixer.
Are you seeing it?
Yeah. Very clear.
Now, because I didn't put the glove, the beaker now, it is hot. This beaker, I'm feeling hot now because of the reaction of sodium hydroxide with the water
And the oil.
and the oil.
Yeah, that will come.
The reaction comes to an end.
Then now, you put this one down. Now you can use this tire. So this is turmeric. If you want to add color, you also coloring. You add. If you don't want, you use it like that. But if you want, you have color. Just is put like this.
Oh, no. Because of
Yes,
this
it's-
mixture.
Just is put like this.
Coloring.
For coloring.
The same color.
For coloring, yes. Then now,
Put it down.
Close.
then now,
We use
Say
mixture.
okay.
then now, just
Mixture
add.
again.
You see the color of the soap will be different from those.
Yes.
Then now, you close it. After you close, then
You
pour
what?
4.
pour it on this.
Liquid soap.
Then now it will solidify.
Banana.
It will solidify into, after 3 days you'll find it will be like those soaps.
Hey.
Then now, after you have done with this, then you wash your hand. You need to wash your hand. So that any irritation or any issue. So they normally cause irritation. Now I want to give you